Welcome to IT Resource Planning CSIT 306. Today's session we're going to look at IT resource planning systems with regards to human resources. We will examine the human resource processes supported by IT resource planning. We will try to understand the interrelationships amongst business processes supporting human resource management. We'll take a look at Atlantic manufacturing once again as a case study. Then, with regards to human resource, Atlantic manufacturing says that recruitment, training, and retention of sales force is difficult. They are having human resource records which are inadequate. Their HR paperwork and compliance requirements increase steadily. The management of compensation packages are difficult and needs to create a strategy for controlling the cost of various employee benefits. So those are the problems that Atlantic manufacturing have. Let's take a look at human resource problems. Maintaining accurate employee information. These are human resource problem points. Job analysis and design. Applicant selection, compensation, benefit administration, training, and governmental reporting. Let's look at the evolution of HR systems. Traditionally relied upon standalone systems. The specialized applications for applicant tracking had compensation and benefits and attendance. These were all specialized applications. And this produced redundant data. There was no link to financial systems whatsoever. Now with IT resource planning, we have a link to financial systems and best practices are enforced. We look now at the IT resource planning human resource modules. These are the components. We have the human resource management, which deals with personal records, then the resumes. We have the benefits administration, which deals with linking employee data to actual benefits, allowing selection from group of benefits. We have the payroll, which takes a look at paychecks, tax reports, accounting data. Then another component is the time and labor management. We have the employee or manager self-service, which looks at travel reimbursement, personal data, and benefits changes. Then we see the training class. Now, under the human resource modules itself, we look at attributes that deal with integration, having a common database. We have scalable and flexibility. We have the drill down capability. And the attribute is the workflow management for electronic routing of documents and other document management. Then we have process standardization as another attribute. We have security as yet another attribute, and lastly, user-friendly and web accessible or accessibility as the last attribute. Now, this table shows the human resource decisions supported by an IT resource system. It takes a look at subsystems such as recruiting, job analysis, compensation, benefits, and workforce development, and looks at questions and decisions that come up with regards to these subsystems. Now, under management control models, you find out that the human resource information enables management of diverse workforce. It supports managerial decision making through query and report tools or reporting tools. This model also has operational level controls which help to maintain and update employee files, the job analysis files, the design files, regulatory files, skills inventory files. Then it's under the strategic level controls. It looks at the human capital inventory for tracking employees, the position control linked to budgeting, labor or management relationships, and the business intelligence tools for predicting trends. Then lastly, the management control model has a model for integration, which is significant for benefits. In discussing management control models, we'll look at another featured article in the recommended text which talks about keeping track of your employees. We'll see what the benefits of automated time and attendance records are. We'll look at what advantages might accrue to employees using these subsystems. We'll also look at employees' attendance, time of work, or time at work, and the skill levels. We'll look at benefits of automating, which eliminates the manual processes, which is usually time-consuming, error-prone, and so on and so forth. We'll take a look at Banner Health. We'll look at another organization known as the Smurfit-Stone Container Corporation to be able to come to a conclusion on this session. Now, in summary, we've seen that IT resource planning systems include human resource models that offer records management, benefits administration, and payroll. These offer integrated operational and strategic level controls and also are scalable and very flexible.